Hi, everybody. This is the audience. Okay. Hi, my name is Jessica Cow, and I'm going to be talking to you today about water conservation. Water is one of the most important factors in keeping life sustainable on this planet. It is also becoming increasingly scarce on our planet. My older sister works for the Department of Energy and has brought to my attention about how important caring for our environment is and how every person is responsible for taking care of our environment. Recycling, cutting down on electricity, or taking part in water conservation are all things that can contribute to a cleaner environment. We must do our part to ensure that our environment is clean and healthy for the younger generation to come, and to make sure our water sources are not depleted. Rainwater harvesting, less electricity use, and instantaneous water heaters are just some of the ways we can cut down on water usage and make a change for the better. According to Dr. Krishna of the Texas Water Development Board, rainwater harvesting is the practice of collecting rainfall for beneficial purposes. This is accomplished by collecting the runoff from rainwater from roofs. This water can be filtered and used indoors, or it can be used as outdoor watering systems. This technique can also help people cut back on their water bills. According to the Rainwater Harvesting Association, with the use of rainwater harvesting, people could reduce their water usage up to 40% and cut back on their water bills up to 50%. Another way to conserve water is by becoming more energy efficient. Water is one of the main sources used to generate electricity. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, 41% of the U.S. water supply is used in major power plants, many of which are used to generate electricity. The U.S. Department of Energy also goes on to say that this water cannot be reusable due to evaporation. We can all contribute by turning the lights off, unplugging our devices, and even hang drying our clothes. There are many benefits to being energy efficient. Instantaneous water heaters save water and are energy efficient. Instantaneous water heaters are only recently gaining popularity, but they are soon going to be seen as a good investment in the future. They provide hot water only when needed and do not produce the standby energy losses associated with regular water heaters. Presidential candidate Bernie Sanders says, "Every day we are paying for more energy than we should due to poor insulation, inefficient lights, appliances, heating and cooling equipment. Money we could save by investing in energy efficiency." Saving water will take an effort from everyone, but it is not impossible. Water conservation can be as easy as making small changes in your everyday life to make lasting water possible. If we do not take action to conserve water, there may not be any left for the younger generations to come. Simple changes can make a large impact in a positive way. Water makes life possible, and we all need to do our part to not waste it. We need to think carefully about our actions and how they affect the world as a whole. Not only is water conservation helping the planet, but it is also doing what is right. What greater rejection of those who would tear down our world than marshaling its best efforts to save it? Barack Obama. Water makes life possible.